Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to do the half treble crochet. It's a mouthful to say, I know, but we can get through this. So what you'll want to do is chain any multiples that you need for your project. For this tutorial, I'm just doing a quick 15 chains. And I really like this stitch because it gives great texture to any of your projects. You can use it for blankets or dishcloths, whichever you'd like. So we have our 15, and what we'll want to do is go ahead and chain 2. 1, 2. And in the third chain from the hook, you will want to yarn over, insert your hook in the third chain from the hook. Just do that again. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 1, so you have 3 loops, and then pull through all 3 loops. Let's do that again. We're going to yarn over, so we'll go under, insert your hook into the next chain, pull through 1, pull through 3. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 1, pull through 3. And we're going to do this all the way to the end of the row. And sometimes pulling through the 3 loops can be difficult. Don't get discouraged. It takes practice. Even I mess it up still. So here we are at the end. So you want to yarn over, insert your hook, pull through all 3. Now here we are, we want to chain 2. And what we're going to do is we're going to go into the top stitch and not the side stitch. So you'll see that there's a side stitch right there. We don't want to go through that one. We want to go through the top one. So turn your work just ever so slightly and insert your hook, pull through 1, pull through 3. And again, we're going to do this all the way to the end of the row. Nope, see, I messed it up. No big deal. All right, here we go. Insert your hook, yarn, pull through 3. And I wish I could crochet this fast, but you know, wish I could speak too. It happens. So here we are at the end. So with the half treble crochet, you have 2 options. Now you can continue going into the top loops, but if you decide to go into the front loops, like I'm about to show you, that'll make one side of your work completely smooth and the other side of your work completely ribbed. So the picture that you see in the back, the little sample square that I did, that is always going into the top. And it'll give you a nice ribbed look on both sides, where this of just going into your front loops, it'll end up giving you a smooth finish. So what you would end up doing is you do a front loops on one side, top loops on the other side. And here we are at the end. Pull through, and there you have it. That is how you do a half treble crochet. It's very easy. If you end up having stitches that come out, don't worry about it. Just pick up and keep going. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and I hope you have a happy crochet day.